Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Bitcoin has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, Stochastic Rsi and MACD are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. By looking at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that the price moved up quickly with around 4.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 31,383. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the buyers are taking over. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it, with the current price of around 30,510. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Looking at the hourly Stochastic Rsi, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so it should be waited to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Moving to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the upside, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. The current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 30,400. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the downside. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the downside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate, and it is better to wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 29,817, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA, that is at 33,789, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the daily Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Moving to the daily MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. As we can see from the MACD histogram, the momentum is indecisive at this moment. This means that we can expect for the price to remain the same for some time, and you should wait and for the MACD line to cross the signal line. This will mean it's bearish. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.